Hi guys, welcome to yet another wonderful session of learning with Prepclass. My name is Tutor Olalikon Israel, your Prepclass English tutor, and I am super excited to have you join me in today's session of learning. Now in today's session, we will be answering questions from the Jamb English 2014 past question. We will be answering questions 92 to question 95 from the Jamb English 2014 past question. Remember, the purpose of this session is to help you prepare for your forthcoming Jamb examination. So, without wasting much time, kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the post notification so you can be notified whenever we upload any new content. Alright, let's begin. Now, for questions 92 to 94, there is an instruction here. The instruction reads, in each of the questions 92 to 94, in each of the questions 92 to 94, choose the option that rhymes with the given word. In each of the questions 92 to 94, choose the option that rhymes with the given word. Question 92. The given word here is ever. Ever. So we have to select the option that rhymes with ever. Option A, favor. Option B, fever. Option C, never. Option D, ever. So which of these options rhymes with ever? Now, ever is transcribed as shown on the screen. Ever. Favor is transcribed as shown on the screen. Favor. Fever is transcribed as shown on the screen. Fever. Never is transcribed as shown on the screen. Never. Ever is transcribed as shown on the screen. Ever. So looking at what we have on the screen, ever rhymes with never. Ever rhymes with never because they both consist of the sound pattern ever. To form never, you just add the sound n to ever. So you have never from ever. So ever and never rhyme together because they both consist of the sound pattern ever. Ever. Never. Looking at other options, we have ever, favor, ever, not ever. In fever, we have ever, fever, not ever. In ever, we have ever, ever, not ever. So, ever and never rhyme together. Alright, so the answer to this question is option C, ever, never. Alright, moving on, question 93. Remember we have to select the option that rhymes with the given word. Question 93 reads, keep. The word we have in question 93 is keep. Option A, reap. Option B, sieve. Option C, threat. Option D, dead. Now, looking at the screen, keep is transcribed as keep. Reap is transcribed as shown on the screen. Sieve is transcribed as shown on the screen. Sieve. Threat is transcribed as shown on the screen. Threat. Dead is transcribed as shown on the screen. So, keep rhymes with reap. Keep rhymes with reap. Because what? They both contain the eep. They both have eep in their transcription and pronunciation. Keep, reap. So the answer is option A. Keep rhymes with reap. Alright, moving on to the next question, question 94. Remember we have to select the option that rhymes with the given word. Question 94, the word we have is tax. Tax. Option A, box. Option B, lax. Option C, back. Option D, ask. So, which of these options rhymes with tax? Now, tax is transcribed as shown on the screen. Box is transcribed as shown on the screen. Lax is transcribed as shown on the screen. Back is transcribed as shown on the screen. Ask is transcribed as shown on the screen. Now, tax rhymes with lax because they both contain the sounds ax. Tax, lax. Tax rhymes with lax. So the answer is option B, Alright, moving on, question 95. Now, in question 95, choose the most appropriate stress pattern from the options. Choose the most appropriate stress pattern from the options. The stressed syllables are written in capital letters. So, we have to select the option that carries the correct placement of stress on the word. Question 95. The word we have is valedictory. So, which option shows the correct placement of stress on the word valedictory? Option A. The third syllable, dig, carries the stress. Option B. Tory carries the stress. Option C. Val carries the stress. Option D. Le carries the stress. So which option shows the correct placement of stress on the word valedictory? Now, to get the syllable that receives the stress on the particular word, to get the syllable that receives the stress in a particular word, a correct pronunciation of the word is important. So, valedictory is pronounced and broken into syllables as valedictory. So the third syllable, dig, receives the stress, valedictory. Now, dig is pronounced louder and longer. D-I-C, dig is pronounced louder and longer. It receives the stress in the word valedictory. So the answer to this question is option A. Alright, and with that we've come to the end of this wonderful session. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button. Do not forget to drop your questions in the comment section. Also, share this content with your friends and loved ones. You can as well check us out on WhatsApp. Check for the link to our WhatsApp group in the description of this video. Thank you for your time. Enjoy the rest of your day.